What is up, guys? So it's finally time to start working on this YZ250 engine. So what we're gonna do today is just tear it all apart, expect for any damage, and we're gonna go from there. So let's get straight into it. So quick overview, this engine is absolutely disgusting. Covered in dirt and sand, all greased up, so it's gonna be very different when we're done with it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so for this, I know a lot of you people out there don't have the tools for a lot of this stuff. There's a lot of special tools you need for an engine, so I'm going to show you a way to take this off without the gear holder. So all you need is an impact, an air impact, and boom! Off. Disgusting. Alright guys, so another one, this is another thing you're gonna need a tool for, but I have the tool, but if you don't have it, you just take the impact. I already got it right here. Stick it on there and well, it's off, so there you go. Alright, so another trick for you guys, if you're having a lot of trouble getting this piece off, it's not going to pull off most of the time. This one looks like it will, but for future things, if it's stuck for some reason from the dowels being rusty, just hit it with a hammer, lightly all around, and then it will pull right off, or a lot easier.
Oh, music.
Okay guys, so this is a tool from Motion Pro. It's called the blind bearing puller tool. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how it works real quick. So we already have it set up inside there to speed some things up. What it is essentially a bolt goes in and pushes these pins apart inside the bearing. And what that does is it clamps down on the inside of the bearing. That way you can pull it up. As you know, if you're rebuilding your engine, a lot of the transmission bearings, like these here, are not, like, you cannot get to the back side of it. So this is the only way to get it out, or one of the only ways, and probably the easiest way, but just gonna be showing you guys how that works real quick. So all you gotta do is slide this pin up. And there you go. bearing comes right out. So, great tool. I 100% recommend it. It's very easy to use and very efficient. So, if y'all are struggling with this, then get this tool and you'll be set. Alright guys, so we have completed this mess of an engine. Everything is apart. Got everything in plastic bags over here. Cylinders ready to go to Fathead Racing. All the bearings and seals are out. So yeah, teardown is complete. Thanks for watching.